Good morning, children. This is the video for chapter number 6, HTML editor, coffee cup introduction, textbook page explanation video. Previous video I have sent about the introduction of lesson and the screenshots of coffee cup editor software application. I have explained how to create simple web pages using this editor through hands-on experience in that from that coffee cup editor software application. In this video I am going to explain textbook paragraphs and the words meanings. So take your textbook and listen, watch the video, understand the words meaning and the concepts. You can get a good knowledge using coffee cup editor. You can create a simple web pages using this editor. Watch the video from beginning to end. Take page number 59, coffee cup introduction, chapter number 6. Let me start the first slide. What is coffee cup? Coffee cup is an HTML editor used to build and design forms, web pages and websites. So this is the editor, HTML editor used to create websites and web pages. Using this editor, we can create our own websites without programming. We have more menus and features are there. You can create or design your websites. What is an HTML editor? An HTML editor is a web design tool which uses HTML tags to build forms, web pages and websites. Okay, so this is the HTML editor. It's a web design tool used to create web pages and websites. We don't need to use HTML tags to build our websites. Here we have more options, features are there. Using GUI options, you can create websites within a minute. Let me explain about what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The word HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language is the language used to creating web pages and designing websites. This is the programming language used to create websites and web pages. I hope you understood. You have studied in 7th standard about HTML programming. It is a standard text file with specific tags that a browser reads and interprets into a web page. In 1990, a scientist named Tim Berners-Lee developed HTML program. So this is the author name and about HTML programming. Simple paragraph, you can understand. Let me read the next paragraph. Why coffee cup? Coffee cup editor is an easy to use editor as it contains all the HTML tags as drag and drop objects in its toolbar. You can just design your web pages by simply dragging and dropping the different HTML elements instead of writing long text codes in Notepad. So this is the software editor used to create simple web pages. You can easily create your own websites, dragging and dropping the controls in that software. You don't need to write any programming statements in Notepad and lengthy paragraphs of programs. You don't need to spend time for creating web pages. Very easily you can create web pages using this editor. What is a web page? A web page or web page is a document commonly written in Hypertext Markup Language HTML that is accessible through any internet browsers. I hope you know what is web page and websites. Website is a collection of websites, web pages, and it can be a combination of text file or image file or audio file or any content. We can use any browsers to browse the websites, Chrome or Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox or Opera Mini, any browsers. This is the meaning for this paragraph. To view a web page requires a browser, Internet Explorer, Edge, Safari, Firefox or Google Chrome. In a browser, you can open a web page by entering the URL in the address bar. I hope you know how to open the websites and how to browse the information this is simple paragraph. You can understand they are telling about what is website and web page, how to open and how to browse the informations in internet. What is web browser? A browser is a software program created as a simplified means to present and explore content on the World Wide Web. Children, you know what are the browsers available in at present? Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. Using browsers, we can browse the information from World Wide Web in internet. So you can open any website, you can download or upload a file, you can navigate the menus in using browsers. This is the software. Google Chrome is a product from the Google company. Internet Explorer from this browser from the Microsoft company. So like that, we have more browsers we are using to browse the informations in World Wide Web internet. So this is the simple page, what is web page and what is a web browsers. I hope you have very good knowledge in using browsing and browsers. You are using mobile phones, we are using Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox to download a file and upload a file. Hope you can understand, there is no doubts. So simple paragraphs, the first page we have completed. So simple concepts are there. We have learned about HTML editor, Coffee Cup, how to create a simple HTML programming using Coffee Cup editor, and web pages and websites, about what is web pages and websites, and about introduction of HTML programming and browsers and browser softwares. So these are the concepts we learned in first page. I hope you understood. Let me explain the next page, page number 60. Okay, so in that next page we are going to see what are the concepts we are going to learn in this lesson, the objective and aim of this lesson. So here we are going to discuss about the editor, Coffee Cup editor, how to open and how to use the Coffee Cup editor to develop simple web pages. Okay, so take page number 60. So here look at the picture. Let us explore the editor. We can see the main toolbar. In main toolbar, file, edit, actions, view, tools and help options are there. Workspace, primary work area. We are going to design our web pages here using the properties and the icons are there. We are going to create websites. Element tabs. What are the elements available? You can see under the elements tabs. And the properties, we want to apply colors and options for websites and web pages. You can apply for properties. And the form options tab. Under the form options tab, you can see text box controls and other controls you want to place for, you can use it. In this lesson, you are going to learn about simple to use yet a powerful HTML editor, web form builder lights. So in this lesson, you are going to design websites using Coffee Cup editor. So simple, how to open the application, launching the editor. To launch the Coffee Cup software, click on the Start button, All Programs, Coffee Cup Software, Web Form Builder Lite option. You have to download the software from internet and install in your PC. Once you install, you can see the software in your Start button list of the programs. So click the Start button. You can see the list of programs installed in your system. You can go for step 1, click the Start button, and step 2, click the All Programs option. Step 3, click on Coffee Cup Software folder, and under that option you can see Web Form Builder Lite option. When you click that option, you can see the first window will be opened, the primary area. This is the HTML editor. Look at the picture, the primary work area. You can see this is the window will be opened when you click the Web Form Builder Lite option. So these are the steps you have to follow, children, to open the Coffee Cup editor. Let me explain the next paragraph, the primary work area window explanations. What are the tabs and let me explain the Explorer. Let us explore the editor. You can see the main toolbar, workspace, elements tab, properties tab, and the form options tab. In main toolbar, you can see file, edit, actions, view, tools, and help menus are there. Workspace, you are going to design your web pages in this area. Using properties tab and the form options tab, elements tab, you are going to take controls and text boxes, labels, option buttons, and other controls you want to build your websites. You can go for use these menus and the features from the Coffee Cup editor. children. So using this tab and properties, you can apply colors, you can set images, you can set list boxes, a drop down list or combo boxes. So we have more features in Config Editor. Just you're going to do here, drag and drag the controls from these menus. You're going to develop here using this editor. You can create your websites within a minute. You don't need to spend programming under line by line programs to create websites. So it's a simple editor. You can create your own websites within a minute. Let me explain what is Workspace. This is the place where you can build your web page forms. This is the primary area. You're going to design your website, web page, home page, and other linking pages. Main toolbar, it contains tools to manage Workspace. And Elements tab, this tab contains HTML elements or tags that will be required to build web page forms. About Properties tab, this tab helps you to set various properties for the elements. You can use colors and other controls to your websites. You can develop it. Form Options tab, this tab contains options to change the font size, color, and etc. So we have more features available in these properties you can set for your websites. Let me explain the next slide about elements. Elements are the tags that will be used to construct a web page form. You can add titles, checkboxes, pictures, etc. using the elements. Elements are of three types. They are basic elements, magical elements, static elements. Children, understand, here you can see three types of elements: basic, magical, and static. So you can see the basic elements. Under the basic elements, you can see title, heading, plain text boxes, text field, text area, number, password, drop down. So under basic, these controls will be available in Config Editor. Magical elements, email address boxes, web address boxes, date boxes, list boxes, images, phone number, section break, spacer. These controls available under magical elements. Static elements, under the static elements, header, footer, logo, submit. So as per requirement in your websites, what are the controls you want to place? You can go for elements sections. You can just drag and drop it. You can place in your primary workspace area. You can develop your websites. Understand, this is the information concept about elements. Look at the examples, children. Look at the pictures in this slide. Basic elements. So here they have a given example, title, heading. So how to place elements? You can see used to give the detail. They have using a title, heading tag. So just drag elements from basic sections. You can get a title, heading tag, and a plain text boxes, text field, text area, number, password boxes. So this is the way you have to drop and drag from the basic elements sections. You can place controls in your form. So this is the simple steps. Just use the mouse and you can drag and drop the controls from the Config Editor. You can develop your websites. And look at other pages also: drop down, radio buttons, checkboxes, and upload file options menus. So under the other sections of Config Editor, so simple to images, the examples given, you are going to drag and drop the controls from that section and to your workspace. So there is no concept explanation for these two slides. Understand, look at the pictures carefully. If you have a system in your home, you can work with these steps. You can understand. So this is the simple lesson about Config Editor, introduction of Config Editor, and how to launch the program application in your system, how to open it, and how to develop simple web pages. So you have learned in this lesson about editor, about website, web pages, HTML programming, what are the options we have in Config Editor. Simple lesson, children. Understand the concepts, read all the book pages, textbook pages. If you have any doubts, ask me, I will clear your doubts. And attend live sessions. If you have any doubts, lesson 1 Config Editor textbook explanations, you can speak to me, I will clear your doubts. So for this lesson, classwork writing, I will share the video later. You can write a classwork for this lesson after some time. So if you have any doubts, you can contact me, you can ask your doubts. Watch the video from beginning to end. Children, understand the concepts of first chapter coffee cup editor. So watch the video from beginning to end. Read all the book textbook pages. Simple, nothing to worry. Simple concepts are there. Introduction of this coffee cup editor, how to open and how to create simple web pages. If you have a system, try it. You can understand good knowledge. Or go to Google, just download the coffee cup editor. You can install in your PC or laptop. You can work with these applications. You can get a good knowledge. So previous homeworks and classwork writing, complete it. Don't be defaulters. Submit your papers and submit your workbook and a classwork note and textbook answers. So hand over it to school for corrections. Don't be defaulters in CS subject. Based on your performance, we will give a marks for PT2 examinations. So those are not submitted CW and workbook for this PT2 portions, I will not correct your papers. I will not give marks for your PT2 examinations. So understand, there is internal marks and performance for theory examinations will be added for consolidation marks. So complete your work on time, submit it, hand over it to school on time. To get a good knowledge in coffee cup editor, watch my previous video. In that video I have explained practical how to use and how to create simple forms. I have explained some steps in my previous video. Watch the video and come to this video. This is the video I have explained textbook paragraphs line by line. So watch both videos. You can get a good knowledge in coffee cup editor, how to create a simple web pages. I hope you know what are the things available in web page. It is a combination of text file, or we can see paragraphs or images, video files are there. So all the controls available in coffee cup editor. You are going to just drag and drop the controls from the editor. You are going to design your websites. So the first step for designing website, you have to construct, you have to plan what are the controls you need in home page. Okay, so what are the images you need, what are the controls you need, just plan it. After that you can give a document of your website. Just write down the steps and note, take the points. You can then open the applications. You can go to designing your part of a web page. So this is the way we have to create a web page. So here we don't to spend any time for the programming statements like HTML, Java or ASP.NET programming. It's editor applications. These editor applications used for create a website, web pages with simply. You can create a website for your family members also, or about your family, or you can use a simple website blog for about your life or about your passion, something. Okay, just try it. You can get a good knowledge in creative websites. So nowadays you can see advertisements in TV channels, Codathon and coding, junior head codes, white coding, how something or competitions are going there. And children's school children are going to develop knowledge in coding programming area. The competitions are conducting, Olympiad exams are conducting for coding competitions. So understand, this is the trend. You have to develop a good knowledge in programming and others. So creating software applications, you have to get a good effective knowledge. So watch the video from beginning to end and go to YouTube or Google. You can get more knowledge about the coffee cup editor. Just browse it. I could not say some I didn't say some information about this chapter. You can get more information from Google or YouTube also. Just take a reference. You can get effective knowledge, working knowledge in using coffee cup editor. So think out of your boundary. You can get good knowledge in coffee cup editor. So watch the video from beginning to end, understand the concepts and work on it. You can get a good knowledge. Because when we work with some applications, we can get a good knowledge. Theoretically reading and theoretical studying concepts in the CS subject, you cannot develop your knowledge, because all the lessons we have practical oriented lessons. So work on it and hands-on experience, you can get effective knowledge all the lessons. So just Google or go to YouTube, or you can system, just install software applications. You can get a good knowledge using this software applications. So this is the way you have to study CS subject. So complete your works and submit your papers and submit your write-ups to school on time. Don't be defaulters. If you have any doubts, contact me. I will clear your doubts. Participate the live sessions. Get interactive with the teachers, ask your doubts and speak with me. we can get a good dynamic communications in live sessions. Okay, so I will meet you all in my next video. Watch the video from beginning to end, understand the concepts.